Assalamu alaikum. Today I will present my research paper titled Empowering Streamlined Student Activities via Web-Based PUSAT Islam Management System (PMIS). I'm Ramla binti Muhammad Zain from Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin Gubun Terengganu, and my team members are Nur Hamiza and Mazlina. Background of the study: PIMS is an initiative specially designed to improve the management of activities in Pusat Islam Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin (PSMZA). The system is carefully designed based on the needs of the Pusat Islam Management Committee, with an emphasis on the creation of Pusat Islam activity scheduling, activity reports, student attendance management, and organizational chart display. Through careful analysis of needs, PIMS enables this community of the Pusat Islam to manage their activities more efficiently and contribute to the role of the Pusat Islam in the Muslim community at PSMZA. Next, the clear scope of PIMS determines the roles and responsibility of the admin, user, and manager in this system. This helps streamline activity management, improve data security, and ensure that every element of the organization functions better. The agile approach used in the methodology of this project allows PIMS always to be ready to adapt to changing needs and customer feedback. The programming language used are PHP, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and SQL. Overall, the PIMS is an important step to empower Pusat Islam's role in providing better service to members of Pusat Islam. With customized features and a responsive approach, PIMS is expected to lead to an overall improvement in the management of Pusat Islam activities and services. Okay, the problem statement is the storage of Pusat Islam activity reports that are not organized by session, month, and year make it difficult to locate the desired reports. This also results in a significant amount of time being spent searching for these activity reports. The second issue pertains to the management of student attendance records for activities organized by Pusat Islam. There is inefficiency and inaccuracy in the process of recording and maintaining attendance data, which is crucial for tracking student participation and involvement in activities. The problem faced is related to the irregular and disorganized method of scheduling activities. This can result in the scheduling of activities having to be rebuilt from scratch and can create a risk of new activities overlapping with existing activities. In addition, this problem can also influence users to rearrange the activity schedule. Therefore, an organized and structured schedule method is needed to ensure efficiency and avoid duplication of activities. The objective of this system are first to study and identify the system's requirement. Second, to design and develop the Pusat Islam management system based on the identified requirements. And the third one is to conduct testing on the developed system to ensure its functionality and effectiveness. Before the methodology, the Agile model was chosen as preferred methodology. This choice is based on its flexibility, adaptability, and its focus on collaboration among project teams. The Agile model stands out for its iteration and incremental development approach, where each development cycle builds upon the previous one, emphasizing continuous improvement. It derives its name from its agility in responding to shifting priorities and feedback from customers. The agile methodology is involved for phase, which is plan, design, develop, test, deploy, and review. For plan phase, the planning phase marks the initial step in the defining project objective, gathering requirements, categorization process, necessitating careful consideration and agreement between developers and users. System developers will produce a Gantt chart to illustrate the project schedule that represent a project plan over time. For design stage focuses on constructing a model based on identified requirements. This modeling process employs various tools like entity relationship diagram, context diagram, data flow diagram, and flowchart. For the development phase, include all related production tasks such as UX, UI design, architecting, and coding. Developing the first iteration of a software product is often the longest stage of the agile application development life cycle. For deploy phase, deployment involves disseminating information about service update to customers and conducting further testing to confirm that the system meets requirements. The testing phase also become a crucial where developers code and test the new software to ensure its functionality and identify any errors or bugs. And lastly, for review phase is conducted to ensure that all user and system requirements are met and that the system operates effectively. Findings: the testing phase has been implemented to identify errors that occur in the project after the implementation, while box testing or unit testing is carried out to identify the correctness of the developed software process as well as verify that each unit in the software could runs according to plan. The main purpose of unit testing is to ensure that each user unit of the system works according to its specification. User acceptance testing, or known as end user testing, also conducted involve the real users, which are the committee of PUSAT Islam Management, involve 30 students and 5 lecturers. This is the final testing performed. Once the functional system and regulation testing are complete to determine whether application can be accepted or not. Okay, the chart show the ch- for unit testing analysis, the chart shows the result of unit testing analysis detailing the performance of various criteria within the system. Each criteria underwent testing with a pass rate of 100%, indicating successful implementation without any failures. This result affirmed the reliability and robustness of the system across key functionalities such as user registration, login, organizational chart, activity scheduling, attendance management, and activity reporting. That is the findings for unit testing analysis. While findings for user acceptance testing, the chart on the side is the result of user acceptance testing. Users find the system functionality to be particularly effective because this criteria received the highest rating with a mean score of 4.61. Following closely behind is data accuracy, achieving 4.45 mean score, indicating a significant level of trust in the system data accuracy and reliability. The technical criteria also received favorable responses with a mean score of 4.37, signifying users' recognition of the system technical proficiency. The user interface received a mean score of 4.27, suggesting that while generally satisfactory, there may be some room for improvement in terms of user experience and interface design. For discussion, the proposed enhancement for the PUSAT Islam Management System (PMIS) encompass several key areas. In terms to communication improvement, involve sharing announcement and event message, fostering discussion and chat to encourage member interaction, and facilitating quick update through email or message. Event management features include enabling members to easily sign up for events online, gathering feedback for continuous improvement. The system also emphasizes centralizing document storage and accessibility, maintaining user profile with role details, issuing reminders for membership renewals, and organizing volunteers. These enhancements collectively aim to create a more comprehensive and user-friendly PMS that address a broader spectrum of pusat Islam needs. Okay. For the contribution the system to the society is first to improve organizational functionality. It enhances organizational functionality through clear graphical displays, facilitating better understanding and efficiency. The second one is efficient handling of activities. Manage activities seamlessly, including report generation, student attendance tracking, and event scheduling. And the last one is tailored activity management, PMS simplifies activity management customized to fit the distinct requirements of PUSAT Islam. Before conclusion, the PUSAT Islam Management System (PIMS) stands as a crucial project designed to effectively oversee activities within PUSAT Islam, with a clearly defined scope that assigns responsibilities to administrators, users, and managers. PIMS facilitates streamlined activity management, including report generation, student attendance tracking, and event scheduling. It also boosts organizational efficiency with clear graphical display and simplifies activity management tailored to meet the unique needs of Pusat Islam. Operating under guidance of Agile methodology, PIMS remains flexible to accommodate evolving needs, representing a significant advancement in strengthening Pusat Islam role within Polytechnic Sultan Mirza Zainal Abidin. It provide a responsive management system capable of addressing both present and future challenges. That's all. Thank you.